Hello, my name is Prashant, and I'm going to show this my very basic web page using only HTML and CSS. The This is my first home page. And the second page is uh, these are the photos which I have clicked for during the air show from my mobile phone, and the other two pages are very simple one. Basically, I want to the show that this web page is responsive to the screen size. uh, as you can see, when I'm decreasing the browser size, instead of 4 only 2 images are shown, and as I decrease more, then it's showing only one image per row. So implementing this responsive images was very interesting, and the topmost navigation bar is also interesting, as I implemented it using only CSS and HTML, not using Bootstrap. And the fixed and you can also see that the footer is also fixed towards the bottom. It's not floating up upwards. So this responsive images implementing this responsive images is very easy using media query command. I will show you that. As you can see here that using this media query command, when the max width of browser decreases below 900 pixel, then the width of each images uh, will increase to 50% actually. So as you can see that each this is my airshow.html, and each image is inside the responsive div tag. So initially the width of each responsive div tag is 25%, that is 4 images can fit when the viewed on the full screen laptop. But as we decrease the browser size, and when the browser size will decrease or screen size will decrease below 900 pixels, then the width of responsive class will increase from 25% to 50%. And when the screen size, when it is viewed on the mobile or some screen whose size is less than 500 pixels, then the width of that responsive class will be automatically become 100%. That is, only one image will be shown per row. So this was very interesting. So this is how I implemented my first uh, project 0. Thank you for watching. Bye.